Did you know that cucumber is 96% water, making it a great hydrating addition to your skin treatments? It is very mild and it's good for even the most sensitive skin. Good Saturday, everyone! Maayong Sabado, Chabubay, and welcome to our fourth episode of What's in Your Pantry. Last week we featured how to make your own hair mask. I hope you're able to make it. If not, click and subscribe to our channel to know more about skincare in the comfort of your kitchen. This episode is all about cucumbers. Cucumbers provide inflammation-fighting vitamin C and caffeic acid. They are micronutrients known for their antioxidant properties. When applied to your skin, these same nutrients can rejuvenate your skin complexion. Here are other benefits: skin nourishment, soothing and cooling effects, reduce swelling, alleviate sunburn. We need a cutting board, knife, peeler, tablespoon, strainer, bowls, hand mixer, pan, jug with water, and empty spray bottle. Let's get started. First, we are making face mist. It is good to soothe irritated, tired, or dry skin. First, you wash, peel, and slice cucumber. Add to a pan with enough water to cover the cucumber pieces. Heat over a low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Transfer to a bowl and blend using hand mixer until smooth. You can also use blender or food processor. Pour the mixture through a strainer or squeeze with cloth to remove any unblended pieces. Transfer the remaining liquid to a sterilized spray bottle. Recycle your old ones. You can also add lemon juice for AHAs and your vitamin C. Don't keep the mixture any longer than 3 to 4 days. Without preservatives, the mist can go bad. Of course, nothing goes to waste. We are going to use the cucumber puree and our extra cucumber water into a hydrating face mask. We need equal parts of honey, oatmeal, cucumber puree, and cucumber water. All we need to do is mix 1 tablespoon of cucumber puree, oatmeal, and honey. That's it. How about some cucumber water? We already have our sliced cucumbers. You can also add lemon and fresh herbs if you have. Then toss them in your water jug. Let it soak for a few minutes to get the added benefits. Voila! So, why don't we give it a try now? Let's go! cooling eye treatment while waiting. Did you know that cucumber can reduce swelling in the eye area? It also soothes damaged skin, making your eyes look and feel refreshed due to its vitamin C and folic acid content. But don't forget the eye cream after, as it doesn't have enough power to moisturize the eye area based on water content alone. So, let's give it a try. Remember that if it's good and safe to eat, it definitely is good and safe for your skin. Like and subscribe to our channel to know more about beauty and wellness tips in the comfort of your home. Until the next, bye!